Winner treasure chest. We target the B side of the sales market and the needs of designers. After 10 months of development. Exclusive launch of Winner Treasure Box. The treasure box contains 8 materials, including wood, veneer, paint, marble, leather, fabric, hardware, and glass. 2. Leather suitcases with elegant and low-key appearance. Unique and exquisite samples. Let you experience the charm of design. Inspire endless inspiration. Portable design. View Winner 215 standard samples anytime and anywhere. Improve service efficiency. Satisfy customers' request. Customized U-Disc, providing product 3D models, product galleries, case pictures, and other supporting information.